It's time we answer a question on your stock in a little segment we like to call Your Stock, Our Take. Buy, sell, or hold.
Certainly. So Metalla Royalty and Streaming trading right now at a price of about 130, 140, a market capitalization of about $180 million. Metalla Royalty and Streaming is a pure play gold and silver streaming and royalty company. The company's business is to invest in a portfolio of precious metals projects from which it generates royalty and streaming revenues. Metalla's share price is up 68% since the start of the year. This is an impressive run, although most of the precious metals royalty companies have had a strong move up this year. A key driver behind this performance is undoubtedly the price of gold, which is up 23% over the past 12 months from $1,200 US per ounce to about $1,480 US today. The price of silver is also up about 19% over the last 12 months, sitting at just over $17 per ounce today. Looking at Metalla's financial results, their recent annual financials that were published for fiscal 2019, revenue was $7.9 million, which was a 7% increase over the previous year. Adjusted EBITDA was $2.1 million. Compared to $2.8 million last year, so down 26%. The company did report a net loss of $2.4 million compared to a loss of $2.6 million last year. And there was some positive operating cash flow, just under $2.3 million in operating cash flow compared to $2.8 last year, so a decline in cash flow. One of the things I noticed about this company is that it's very expensive. It's a pretty heavy valuation, enterprise value to EBITDA of about 83 times. So the valuation is quite up there, is quite high. Our take is that Metalla does not meet our investment criteria. The company is expensive relative to EBITDA and cash flow. Financial performance over the last year was not that impressive, with only 7% revenue growth, lower cash flow, and negative earnings. It appears to us that most of the company's strong share price performance in 2019 has been the result of higher precious metal prices. One of the issues that we have with commodity-sensitive businesses like metals and oil and gas is that so much of the company's success or lack thereof is driven by volatile commodity prices. Metalla has reported several royalty acquisitions over the past year. These may result in better growth for the company on a go-forward basis. That is something that investors can watch for. However, from what we can see today, the fundamentals are not strong enough for us to be interested in the company. We would potentially look to some of the more established precious metal streamers if we wanted to get into that space.